The negotiations are intensive, complex, and with complex questions. The two of us just agreed in our talks again that solutions must be found now. I believe that time is of the essence now. Germany is ready to take on responsibility either way, and that's why we believe that the talks should be completed within the next 10 days, if at all possible, so that we know in which direction we are heading. An agreement to extend the deployment of 3 German air defence units to Poland is being held up by fraught separate negotiations on the establishment of a maintenance hub in Poland for the damaged Leopard tanks. German and Polish companies are involved in the negotiations on the maintenance hub, as well as both countries' governments, and the main problems are on the company's side. Pistorius' remark about the need to see in what direction to plan was seen as a veiled threat to choose a location outside Poland for the tank maintenance hub. Błaszczak said he wanted German Patriot systems to remain in the country until at least the end of 2023. But Pistorius, in public statements, did not address Błaszczak's request.
What's been recently happening in Russia, the complete subordination of Belarus, the transfer of nuclear weapons to Belarus, the Wagner Group, all show that the threats from Russia are real. Therefore, following our conversation in Brussels, I stress that we are interested in having a Patriot system to remain in Poland, at least until the end of this year. We appreciate the presence of those Patriot batteries on Polish soil. Poland plays an important role in supporting Ukraine. All the weapon deliveries to Ukraine go through Poland. We are happy that this system has been expanded because we have American Patriots, we have German Patriots, so we have a system that protects deliveries to Ukraine.
Relations between Berlin and the ruling Nationalist Law and Justice Party in Warsaw have been strained, with both sides at odds over a range of topics, from arms deliveries to Kiev to an EU migration deal rejected by Poland. Poland has been on the alert for a possible spillover of the war in neighbouring Ukraine, especially since 2 people were killed in the region last November by what Warsaw concluded was a stray Ukrainian air defence missile. As a result, Berlin offered to deploy 3 of its Patriot units to Poland to help secure its airspace.